Welcome back, car enthusiasts. In today's video, we are diving into a topic that every black car owner needs to know: the best car waxes that will enhance your vehicle's shine, protect it from the elements, and keep that deep glossy finish looking brand new. Whether you're dealing with swirl marks, oxidation, or just want to bring out that rich black color, this list will help you make an informed decision. If you're tired of your car's shine looking lackluster, or you just want to protect that beautiful black paint, stick around. Today we'll go over 5 of the best car waxes specifically formulated for black cars. So let's get started. First on our list is the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solution Ceramic Acrylic Black Polish and Wax. This product combines the power of ceramic protection with an acrylic black polish, designed specifically to enhance the depth and shine of dark-colored cars, especially black. Black cars are notorious for showing swirl marks and imperfections. This hybrid solution provides excellent swirl removal while enhancing gloss and depth. It's formulated with ceramic technology that offers long-lasting protection from water, dirt, and even harsh weather conditions. One of the standout features is its ease of application. The wax goes on smoothly, and unlike traditional waxes, it doesn't leave any white residue, which is something black car owners will truly appreciate. Plus, it's designed to be quick drying, so you won't have to spend hours on a single coat. For black cars, this wax is a game changer because it creates a deep mirror-like finish while adding ceramic protection that lasts up to several months. This product is great for those looking for both shine and durability. Next, we have Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax, a liquid-based wax that has earned a reputation for providing one of the best long-term finishes on the market. This wax is perfect for black cars because it gives a brilliant, wet-look shine without leaving behind any white marks. It uses a special synthetic polymer formula, which means it's easier to apply and buff off, and it provides a durable protective coating that repels water, dirt, and contaminants. What makes this product great for black cars is its ability to fill in minor imperfections and scratches, giving the paint a smooth, flawless look. The long-lasting protection it offers against the elements, UV rays, and oxidation helps keep your black car looking glossy for months. The ease of use and the brilliant shine make this an ideal choice for both beginners and professionals. And if you're looking for a product that will work across different types of paint, Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax will do the job. Coming in at number 3, we have Chemical Guy's Black Light Hybrid Radiant Finish. If you want to bring out the deepest black shine, this is the wax for you. Chemical Guys designed this product specifically for dark-colored vehicles, and it's a combination of polish and wax that enhances the radiance of black and dark paints. It's perfect for getting that glossy, wet look finish that makes black paint pop. This formula also works wonders at filling in imperfections and swirl marks, giving your car a smooth finish and creating a deep, reflective gloss. Its hybrid technology ensures both protection and a long-lasting shine. If you want that show car glossy finish, the Chemical Guy's Black Light is definitely one to consider. Next up, we have Cargod's Black Carnauba Wax Polish. This product is a blend of Carnauba wax and advanced polishing technology, making it ideal for black cars. Carnauba wax is known for its natural shine and protection, and this formula uses it to bring out a rich dark depth that really makes black paint shine. It works well to remove minor scratches, oxidation, and other imperfections commonly found on older black cars. One of the highlights of Cargods is its ability to enhance gloss without leaving white residue, making it perfect for black and dark-colored vehicles. This product's Carnauba base gives it that natural gloss while also offering durable protection against the elements, leaving a smooth and deep finish that any black car owner will love. Last but definitely not least, we have Formula 1 SEO2 Ceramic Liquid Wax. If you want advanced protection combined with a high gloss finish, this is the one. This product is infused with SiO2 ceramic technology, which not only enhances the shine but also creates a durable, long-lasting ceramic coating that's resistant to water, dirt, and UV rays. The result is a mirror-like finish with excellent hydrophobic properties, which is especially important for black cars. Formula 1's formula is incredibly easy to apply and provides a high level of protection that lasts far longer than traditional waxes. It's the perfect balance of shine and protection. If you're looking for the ultimate in protection and gloss, Formula 1's SiO2 Ceramic Liquid Wax should be on your radar. So there you have it. 5 of the best car waxes for black cars that will not only enhance your car's beauty but also protect it for months to come. Whether you're looking for swirl mark removal, enhanced shine, or durable protection, these products have got you covered. Let me know in the comments which one you'll be trying or if you've used any of these before. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and be sure to subscribe for more car care tips and reviews. See you next time, and keep that black car shining.